Hey class 10 students, your board exams are coming really soon, isn't it? For the Karnataka State Board examination of the year 2021. And I know that you people are having several questions in mind. How will I manage my time? How will I cover the syllabus? What would be the question paper pattern? What are the portions? Will I complete studying all the portions? Okay, we got you covered. We have got an idea to start and complete your preparation for the boards. So before that, do subscribe to our channel Initiate Scientia and also hit the bell button. So the solution to your problem is a 3-step process which has stage 1 as pre-prep, stage 2 as prep and stage 3 as post-prep. Out of these 3 stages, the second one is the most important. Also, at the end of the video, we have some important tips for each subject. So keep watching till the end of the video. So let's move on to step 1 of the process, that is pre-preparation phase. This is nothing but checklists. Checklists are fun and is an easy way to do your task. So let's start. First, gather your timetable, that is of the board exam. Once you are done, just put a tick as I do, like this, and then move on. Have your syllabus. Do you have your syllabus with you? If no, pause the video, go get your syllabus and put another checklist done. Similarly, keep all your textbooks aside. Next, keep all your notes aside, and then collect sample papers from your friends or from internet, and then collect 10 years board question papers, and after that, list important chapters of each subject. List it out. This might take about an hour or 2, so you can pause the video or you can have the checklist with you and then move ahead. So now step 1 is successfully done. Let's move on to step 2. Okay, so since step 1 is successfully done, let's move on to step 2. This is a very important phase. It is the preparation phase. That is nothing but the study phase. It takes some time. So first, I have devised a plan called study plan. This is the timetable that is starting from Monday till Sunday. So you will have to dedicate about 8 hours per day. On Monday, let's start with maths, then move on to first language, then to science, and then to second language. Again on Tuesday, let's have science first, and then study a third language, then maths, and then social science. Then Wednesday, it's maths, first language, social science, and then science. Then on Thursday, it's science, third language, maths, and social science. And then Friday, it is maths, second language, science, and first language. On Saturday and Sunday, let's mainly do revision. So it would be revision of science, first language, social studies, and a sample paper or 2. And on Sunday, let's again revise maths, second language, third language, and a sample paper. You can do 1 or 2 sample papers, or if you have even more time, you can do even more question papers solving. And then the first lot that I've mentioned here for all the days should be from 6 to 8 am. Since you won't be having schools, 6 to 8 am you can start studying with science or maths because they're important subjects, and it can be for 2 hours. Later on, you can have these subjects, like you can spend 2 hours on each of the subjects. It can be after school, or if you don't have school, you can have it after 8 o'clock or after 10 o'clock. So it would contribute to about 8 hours per day. Next, when you feel that you have completed about 70 to 80% of your syllabus, then move on to the revision plan. This is the most important key plan, but you cannot directly come to revision plan by skipping the study plan. So here on Monday you have maths, first language, and sample papers or previous paper. On Tuesday you have science, second language, and previous question paper. Wednesday it is social science, third language, and sample question paper. Thursday it is maths, science, and previous year question papers. Then Friday it is social science, first language, sample question paper. Saturday it's second language, third language, and previous question paper. Sunday it's first or second language. question paper solving, and then maths or science question paper solving, and social studies or third language question paper solving. So on Sunday you're completely revising or doing your question paper solving. So it would be 3 hours for the first slot, 2 hours for the second slot, and 3 hours for the third slot. So again, it is about 8 hours per day. Hey, and we completed step 2 successfully. Now let's move on to step 3. This is post preparation. What do you do post your preparation? Complete the incomplete. So now you can complete your important lessons. If in case you just had no time and you skip the lessons, you can check whether you have completed the 10 past year question paper. If no, you can complete it now, or complete if you haven't completed the 5 to 10 sample question papers or model question papers, solve them now. Get your doubts cleared, then revise a subject per day. So this is basically revise, recall and recollect plan. Now I'll give you important tips for each and every subject. So first, in science we have physics, chemistry and biology. In physics, list out all the formulas that you see in your textbook. Learn all the definitions and get to know your concepts well. Chemistry, see all your formulas again, the chemical formulas, and then the chemical equations along with various processes and definitions. Next, in biology, learn all your diagrams, know your definitions, and also the terminologies that you use needs to be perfect. Second, for English, you use flashcards or any other memory techniques to remember the lessons, key personalities and the authors, the key characters mainly. Get to know what your lesson is going to tell you, like a moral or anything, and then take care of your grammar and spellings. The same applies for your other languages such as Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, etc. Third, mathematics. Here list out all your formulas and keep revising the sums that you have already learned and try solving new sums. Moving on to social science, get to know the timeline of events. Mark the important dates and years as well as historic events. Get to know about the important names of great people like kings or any other people. More detailed written videos are coming in the Java series, up right from the next video, similar to the data structures playlist. So keep watching. Hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get instant updates of the video that we